Welcome back. We are covering number 5 on the blockchain, crypto, and DeFi at work. Keep or get a job over the next 20 years. This is a good video series for you if you are new to crypto and heard a little bit about Bitcoin or these buzzwords in the title that I just mentioned. And maybe it's time for you to think about how to pivot into a new job situation because maybe you have some job insecurity, maybe the industry is changing, maybe this whole health issue that we're dealing with is changing the industry you're working in, and you need to do something about it, right? The good news is that it's not too late, and it's better to get started now and get up to speed to figure out how you can transition into this, because this in work, home, everywhere is what we're it's gonna just be infused in everything that we do, right? And you can be ahead of the wave, or it's going to come crashing down on you. But I'd rather you surf in on that to prosperity with this and figure out how to maximize it and get some job security for you. So that's what we've covered. The first several videos that we covered in the series, we covered definitions, right? And this is a safe place for you. You shouldn't feel bad about listening to this video because, again, you're in the top 1% already just by you being here, listening, trying to educate yourself. Good job. You're here. It's not too late. But if you're a vet, it's probably not going to be for you. However, I want to encourage you to share this playlist with people who may ask you the same newbie questions over and over. Just defer them to this video series, and maybe that'll help them, right? Maybe they come to you. Maybe you're that IT guy in your family, but this is a good video series for them that'll help you out as well, that you can just refer them to. So I encourage you to do that as well. Before we get started, though, hit the subscribe button, because if you've been here before, you know it's time to commit and hit that subscribe button. Hit the alert button, and then also click the thumbs up button just to help Uncle Paul out here and thank him for doing these videos for you. So anyway, covering number 5 here, you need to become a trusted SME. And what an SME is, you might have heard that, a SME, before. And if you don't know what that acronym is, don't worry about it. It's okay. A SME or an SME is a subject matter expert, okay? And so the two key words that I'm going to cover here, just kind of read the definitions for you, right? Is trusted and expert, right? So trust, noun, reliance on integrity, strength, ability, surety of a person or thing, confidence, confident expectation of something, hope, confident in the certainty of future payment for property or goods received, crypto maybe, right? Credit to sell merchandise on trust, verb, to rely upon or place confidence in someone or something, usually followed by in or to, right? So confidence in somebody, right? So that's where that trust piece. Are you going to position yourself by getting certifications, volunteering for projects? It's going to be hard work. It's not going to be easy, but you want to be that trusted SME, right? And then subject matter expert. Let's cover that real quick. Expert, the noun definition, a person who has a special skill or knowledge in some particular field. Specialist, authority, a language expert, computer language expert maybe, right? Adjectives, possessing special skill. Speaking is not, I'm not an expert at speaking, obviously. Possessing special skill or knowledge, trained by practice, skillful or skilled, often followed by in or at, pertaining to, coming from, a characteristic of an expert, right? So again, you got to be good at what you do. You don't want to be on the fringes, right? If this is the first time you're delving in to this whole blockchain, crypto, and DeFi, or decentralized finance, you can't position yourself as a subject matter expert, let alone a trusted one. And if you do, what's going to happen, you're going to blow your trust, and you're not even going to be considered a subject matter expert, let alone a trusted one, right? So you've got to do your homework, do your due diligence, get your training, build your knowledge base. You'd be surprised at how quickly you can get up to speed on this stuff. It's interesting, and it's coming for you, whether you like it or not. I'm telling you, a lot of you didn't want to, be on the internet when it first came about. And here you are watching me on YouTube, on the internet. It's here, folks. I'm telling you, the central banks of this world that control everything, right? BIS, the Bank of International Settlements, that runs all of the central banks, which includes the ECB, the European Central Bank. It includes the Federal Reserve Bank, which accounts for our situation here in the U.S. By the way, these are private entities. I won't get into that. They're all looking at digital currency, a digital dollar. We already kind of have it here with these stimulus checks we just got. My wife told me that we got our little tiny bit of money which is pitiful in the check. It's because we got so many babies, right? That's why we got any amount at all. But at the end of the day, it's really already here, right? So again, it's coming for you. Just like you may have fought the internet, but you lost because you're here watching me on it. Same thing with this crypto. There's a wave coming. You can either crash down on you or you can surf it in, right? You can kind of ride that thing into prosperity, hopefully. So anyway, do your homework. Watch the other videos that kind of give you some guidance in terms of what you can do to build your skill set and certifications up, and then hopefully that'll help you as well. So that's it. Before we go, again, click the subscribe button, click the thumbs up, click the alert button, and feel free to share this playlist with anybody that could benefit from it. And also, if you want to check out the other videos if you haven't seen them. And we'll talk to you at the next video.